Today we learn about cryptocurrencies with bananas. Monkeys use normal bananas to buy things. Chief Monkey controls all bananas. Chief Monkey decides how many bananas exist. When Chief Monkey prints too many new bananas, each banana worth less. Monkeys know like this. Some smart monkeys thought, what if we create digital bananas that no Chief Monkey could control? That's how cryptocurrencies were born. Digital bananas that only exist in computers. But how do monkeys know who has how many digital bananas? Simple. All monkeys have a big book called blockchain. In this book, all digital banana trades are written. Monkey A gave 5 digital bananas to Monkey B. All monkeys have exact same copy of book. When Monkey wants to transfer digital bananas, all other monkeys check book to see if Monkey really has those bananas. If all agree, transfer is written in book. Nobody can cheat. But who writes in book? Minor monkeys. These special monkeys solve very hard math puzzles with computers. First monkey to solve gets new digital bananas as reward. This process called mining. Why digital bananas have value? Because they're rare and hard to create. Code limits total number of digital bananas that can exist. Bitcoin, most famous digital banana, can only have 21 million bananas total. Never more than that. Price of digital bananas goes up and down a lot. One day, digital banana worth 10 normal bananas. Next day, could be worth 20 or just 5. This happens because monkeys still not sure how much digital bananas should be worth. Digital bananas good because no Chief Monkey controls. Monkeys can send bananas anywhere in world quickly. Limited number protects against inflation, but also have risks. Price goes up and down a lot. If Monkey loses digital wallet password, bananas gone forever. Uses lots of jungle energy to create new digital bananas. Remember, smart monkeys never invest more bananas than they can afford to lose. This was cryptocurrencies explained with bananas. Until next time, monkeys.